Hi and welcome to our latest course here on how cars work. We are just a bunch of engineers who recently have gotten very interested in how cars work. Why? Well, there are two reasons. One, there's just so much going on in automotive technology these days, particularly with self-driving cars. And two, we've been running a car business for about a year, and that's made us really interested simply because we now want to know how cars really work. This course starts at the beginning. It starts with a look at what happens under the hood when you turn on your car, when you flick that switch in the ignition. From there, it moves on to a look at how engines work. The course will explore in detail how gasoline and diesel engines work, the diesel and the Otto cycles, 4-stroke and 2-stroke engines. It then moves on to an exploration of fuel systems, the ignition, and then from there on to the drivetrain, transmission, suspension, brake and steering. You could be anyone who's interested in how cars work. You don't even need to know how to drive in order to benefit from this course. Just come with an open and curious mind.